Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because I got a few boxes that came in the mail today, so I'm so excited. So if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 Slay Glam Box. So this is what the packaging looks like. It does come with an outer package, but I did take that, I cut everything open so it doesn't take me a while. And this is what the packaging looks like right there. And if you stay and watch the whole video, there may or may not be a surprise in here. Alright, so if you don't know what this is $24 a month. It is a monthly subscription box. And I know a lot of people were having problems with the shipping issues because it takes so long. But in my understanding, I did ask her about it, and she did tell me that she got everything fixed. So starting next month, that shipping, you should get it now a lot earlier. So without further ado, let's see what is in the August 2019 Slay Glam Box. All right, let me get my little cutter. So I do know what a few spoilers were going to be, but I don't remember what everything is going to be in here. I don't know. Maybe when I open it up, I will. The only thing I could say about this packaging, I say it every month, I don't like the packaging. I think the idea is really cute, but it's so thin. But I do know she does say that it can only be by a certain weight or something like that, so. All right, so you do get a card, and then this is what it looks like. So it's always packaged up really good. I've only had one thing that was broke. It was like a brush, and she did replace that with no problem. So, all right. So there is everything there. It tells you prices and it tells you what everything is. All right, so let's cut this puppy open. Every time I say that, somebody made a comment and was like, because it's like, cut this puppy open, and she had bad thoughts of it. And I'm like, I never thought about that, but I'm so used to saying it, I can't break myself. All right, just open this up so I don't cut anything. All right, so the first thing we have is Manica Dar. Now, I know last month there was a Manica Dar. It was like a contour kits, and these are, I believe, $21. But I like the fact that it's a blush. So I definitely will use it, and I think the color is really pretty. Yeah, so this is Paradise Blush, and this is $21. All right, let's see if I can open it up. Is it? Oh, it's taped. Let's see if I can get it open. All right, thank God for editing. All right, so that's what it looks like. I think this blush is really, really pretty. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh my God, it's like hard to get open. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It is so pretty. I really like this a lot, this color. That's what it looks like. Let's do a swatch. Let me build it up so you guys can really see the color. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm definitely excited for this. I like this color a lot. All right. The next thing we got is, what is this? From Cella. Okay, so this is an eyeliner pen. I think it's in blue because it says blue. Now, I've tried, yeah. Thank God, no black ones. I have tried from Cella. I tried their eyebrow. They have like an eyebrow thing where like you take the one thing off and it's like the brush, then you on the other side is that, and I think it's really pretty. It just dries out really fast. But I think that's the only thing I've ever tried from them that I can remember. All right, come on. Come on, come to mama. Oh my God, I can't get it open. All right, so that's what it looks like, and I'm just so happy it's not in black. How much is this? So this is $21. Okay, so this is like a, you know, like a felt tip. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. I wish it wasn't felt tip because look what I just did. I like to put stuff on my waterline, and I don't really put anything on top because I have slightly hooded eyes, but I definitely will try it and see. I'm not gonna knock it. I think the color is pretty, and I will definitely try it the next time I put my makeup on. All right, so the next thing we got is from Rasha Cosmetics. This is a lipstick in Bite Me. I believe this is her company, because she does have a cosmetic line. I've tried her lip gloss before, and I really, really liked her lip gloss. All right. So yeah, oh, that's pretty. And one thing I like about this subscription too, you do get to customize your items, like the different color. You could have picked a lip gloss, a lipstick, the color. So I like that as well. So you're not always stuck with something you don't like. And this is $22. This is a matte liquid lipstick. And I did pick out this color because I've really been getting into reds lately. Well, that's really pretty. Let's see. So you can see it. So it looks a little patchy, but let's see how you can, oh yeah, you can definitely build this up. There you go. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. I've really been into red lipsticks. All right, so we got that. Then we got from Gourmet Girls. Okay, so I've never heard of this company before. This looks like a mascara. Let's see. Yeah, this is a fiber lash mascara, 3D fiber lash mascara for $23.99. There's also a gift card from this brand. It's a $20 gift card as well that you get this month. So there we go. Let's see what the wand looks like. I'm very curious. All right, so this is like one of them hourglass ones that they have. It's not my favorite. I don't know why I just smell mascara. It smells like mascara. But it's not too big, and I do like fiber lashes, so I'm really excited to try this and see how it is. And last but not least is a palette. So that's good. Usually always get some sort of palette in this subscription. That's why I do like it. Get this open. All right, so that's what it looks like. So this is from Us USA. This would be $15, and it's the Bubble Pop palette. Again, I've never heard of this. Oh, the packaging's really pretty. I like that. This kind of like comes out a little bit. All right, so you do get a nice mirror. Ooh, these are pretty. Let me take this off. Oh, I just put my finger in one of them. This is really, really pretty. That didn't come like that. I just put my finger in that. You can see. That is gorgeous. It's really pretty. All right, let's swatch a couple. I'm not going to swatch all of them, but I will do a couple. Let's take this off. Oh, that red lipstick, look. So that's pretty good. It doesn't come off real easy. So that's, I like that a lot. All right. Let's dry my hand. And let's swatch a few. I will tell you by looking at it, there are some pressed glitters, and I am not too fond of pressed glitter, especially in a palette. But let's just do a couple. And see. All right, so there are 4 right there. The ones I picked, you can see they are patchy right there. But let's see if they're buildable, because if they're buildable, I don't mind. Yeah, see, look at that. It's definitely buildable. Let's do that green that I swatched. Now, see, I don't mind because I'd rather be like that, and then you can build it up. And just because if I swatched it and it's not good, swatches don't mean anything. I just swatch it to show you the colors, because sometimes when you put it on your eye, it could swatch really bad, and when you put it on the eye, it works really well, and vice versa. You could have some swatches that are like really good, and you put it on, you're like, what the hell happened? But there we go. Let me do a few more. Let's see. Let's do a blue, a purple, and I'm gonna do some of these glitters here. Like I said, I'm not fond of pressed glitters myself. So let's see. Yeah, these eyeshadows are, like you guys can see, they're not the best. Oh, that's a pretty, the glitters are really pretty though. They really are. Let me go back in and re-swatch those one. It's like, all right, which ones did I swatch? Okay, let's see if they are buildable, these ones. So like I said, you can build them up, but I mean, I've definitely swatched better ones, and the palette's only $15, and you do get a lot of shades, and it's definitely not the worst. I will definitely try this on my eyes and see, because I don't want to knock it before I try it, because I haven't tried it on my eyes. But I'm always happy to get eyeshadow palettes, any kind of palettes I love. So if you watched to the end, I said there might be a little surprise. She did send me an extra palette to do a giveaway today. So if you want to try this palette out, there's only a few things that you have to do. It's easy peasy. You just have to rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. You have to be subscribed, because I love giving back to you guys, and leave a comment. Leave any comment that you want. You can leave 1 comment, 5 comments, 20 comments, 50 comments. I don't care. I use a comment picker. So the more times that you comment, the better for you, that you have chances to win. And I really don't mind. Beat those comments up, even if you just leave emojis. Let's see. Let me look at today's date, because I should have done that. I'm never prepared. And then see when this will end. All right, so today is the 17th when I'm filming this. I am not sure what day I'll put this up. So whatever day I put this up is when it will start. But this is going to end on the 31st of August. So you have about a week and a half to enter. And on September 1st, come back, either September 1st or September 2nd. I will pin a comment. I will also put underneath your comment, I'll say email me, and leave you my email address. And I know YouTube doesn't always give notifications, so I will also pin a comment. So make sure that you go back and you look and see if you won or not. All right, so that's everything, guys. So don't forget to rate this video, thumbs it up or thumbs it down, but rate it because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you could be notified every time I upload a video, and also my future giveaways, because I have some coming up. And don't forget to comment so that you could be entered in this giveaway. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next, I was gonna say giveaway, but that too, in my next video. Bye.